Come on, nigga, where you at, nigga? Man, I'm finna goddamn do my goddamn ride along, man. Boosie goddamn mad at your beat. You were supposed to do me a ride along. I gotta goddamn ride with my boy. My boy finna. Yeah. Oh, scatty. Oh. All these hoes smell the same, boy. I said this yesterday. Uh-oh. Alpine sound system. Yeah. Yes, sir. Be hands on, make sure y'all log in, man. Yonk. 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 Yonk to the yonk, to the yonk, yonk, yonk. Yonk. Yonk to the yonk, to the yonk, to the yonk. Hey man, say man. Hey man, it's a brand new day, man. Oh, scatty. What's the fastest you got this bitch up to, nigga?
Shit, like 140.
140. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Keep the camera straight, my boy. You know, I'm a Chevy guy at heart, but these Dodgers growing up, man, all that old fancy stuff there. So you got this bitch in regular mode, or they ain't got all that sport mode and track and shit?
For track.
Yeah.
I'll turn that on the sport mode. Nah, on sport.
Yeah.
In track mode, it hold the gears longer.
Yeah.
In sport mode, it boom, 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 boom.
Dang on that.
You can feel it like that old. You can feel it switching
So it's a 10 speed?
Yeah. Or you can paddle shift, yeah.
Nah, bitch, you don't know how to paddle shift this over.
I ain't paddle shifted.
No.
Up, down.
Yeah.
And then they got buttons on it, how then like nitrous on the back.
Man, cut it out, man.
I'm saying, feel that little button right
Oh,
there.
okay. Oh, yeah, I see it here. Yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie, I like it, bro. This color on this car hard, bro. Baby blue, sky blue, boy. I'm gonna have to get y'all some up close and personals.
See how that whole ball gets sealed?
Yeah.
That bitch ready to go that way.
I know he gonna do something to the exhaust. Real quick.
Yeah, that hoe dangerous, nigga. Only thing I like about this hoe, this bitch barely spin.
Yeah. My car spin, bro. I think I get you if I ain't spin. If I get some drag top, I think, I don't know, it's powerful, bro. It's powerful. I might get you, but I ain't gonna lie, like that traction shit you got going on over here, my boy.
Yeah.
It might get me. I see how that bitch pulled off.
Yeah, mud on like when you hit it, like if you hit it from like a stop, it'll spin, then that bitch up.
I wonder if we get a pedal box full.
Oh yeah.
Turn it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right here by the bars.
They gonna have to come get me.
Fuck the po-po.
You hear how that hoe do?
Yeah. I don't know, man. I'm gonna stick to Chevy, bro. I know the Corvette gotta do the same shit.
Yeah, this Mopar, it's cool, but it's Mopar.
More parts.
Yup, more parts.
Yeah. No disrespect to the Mopar gang. I rock with it, but y'all know I'm a Chevy boy, man. So I'm gonna end up with a Vet. You know what I'm saying? What the hell? That little boo-boo. Jump out.
Jump out and go crazy, nuts, berserk.
Yeah, man.
Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my channel,
Yes,
man. It's
sir.
up. I'm going up, man. Y'all already know. I ain't gotta say my name. Y'all know me, man.
Yeah, man, it's up. Hey, yeah, JoshWay know, ain't man? Y'all know it's up. Man, it's been lifted trucks everywhere, bro. That's all we've been seeing is lifted trucks, man. So y'all already know what that means. I could buy a cup. Right there, funk asses.
What the hell?
Right there at the light.
Oh.
There they is. There they is.
Y'all get away from that nigga ass so goddamn quick, nigga.
And we'll be gone. But shit, that's that old exhaust shot, y'all. They cool, but I don't know. I be having second thoughts about them boys, man. We just all ride along, man. Might drop it, might not. I don't know, man. How I'm gonna get this content, man. So, yeah. Oh, Chevy, man. I said I was a Chevy boy. My nigga John wanna do the Chevy's wrong, man.
That's my boy E, man. Yeah. That's my homeboy, man.
Yeah, he rolling that hoe. Come on, nigga, where you at, nigga? Where you at, nigga? There.
My boy!
Yeah, man.
He done, that nigga done.
He finna, watch this.
Yeah. Damn. Homie feeling good this morning. Oh, look at that blue bitch. SCAT.
Where?
Right behind us. Same color this hoe is.
Oh, yeah, damn. Yeah, man.
Damn, you should have been in this hoe with me yesterday. We done had fun, nigga. I ain't do none of this shit yesterday.
No shit? Yeah, man. Shit, I don't know what the fuck we did yesterday. Strag that.
Yeah. We should have been in this hoe all day doing this shit.
Oh.
Pulling up on side nigga.
Spanking out on.
Hey, boy. Do your pussy ass, we're gonna do this. Now I gonna beat your, I gonna beat your ass, man. And put your ass in that washing machine on back of your truck.
Well, I like that little baby right there, man. I know, and I've been seeing it. I ain't started liking it until I got that little white hole.
That little green hole,
Yeah, this nigga here just did a burnout, y'all. My dumb ass ain't had a camera rolling. We ain't finna do it no more. We don't want the car smelling like rubber, bro. That shit, that'll get all in your clothes. For some reason, bro, that smoke don't get in the GTO like that.
I had to run all down.
Yeah. But if you look in the parking lot right there, that's where that nigga did that shit. Oh, you can't see it. There he is. Yo.
What that motherfucker at, nigga?
Me and my amigos got that free smoke. Certified freak. Nigga one blessing, just one of my lingo. Back then wasn't worried about me though.
Hey, yeah, you for real, hey, you finna
Where
do
the
this
green
shit.
come from?
Look at that, man, the SCAT though outside, man, this bitch hard, my boy. Yeah. We outside today, boy. Right here on the block. Nah, that pink bitch hard. Uh-oh. From one toy to another, man. This toy day on this bitch, man. We finna go pick up the GTO right now, man. We finna bang these streets up real quick. Red on red, turn a couple heads, man. Hell yeah. That way. Yo! exhaust. I can't do it, man. Yeah, it's too loud, man. It's like I can't do it, y'all. I gotta go put some mufflers back on. But I needed the pipes. I got the full exhaust done. That's good from the front to the back. 3-inch. I just gotta go and get some nice mufflers or some type of resonators or something.